Baby girl, you find yourself, oh. Girl, you make my head red, oh. Anytime you know they close to me, yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby girl, now you I want, oh. Baby, shine on me, you want, oh. Make we they want, oh.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back on my YouTube channel. My name is Tijani. If today's your first time seeing me, that's my name. But if it's not your first time, welcome back, my love. If today's your first time stumbling into my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to hit the bell button so you can be notified when I do upload new videos. So yes, dolls, I know I've been gone for a while. I have a reason. I have reasons why I've been gone for a while. I've missed you guys. I'm back now, and I'm not going to do this again. I'm gonna try not to do this again. My number one reason is because my baby is no longer a baby. He's now a toddler, and he needs more of my attention. He gets into things. That's him opening the door. I'm sure you guys can hear that. He gets into things right now, and I just cannot find myself to. I just can't sit down and record. Usually I would just put him to sleep. Take his little nap. He can nap for like 2-3 hours, and in that duration I can record. But now he is a toddler and does not want to take longer naps. It takes maximum 30 minutes. On a good day, maybe 40 minutes. This is actually my second time trying to record this particular video, and on the first time I tried recording it, he slept for 15 minutes. Hey baby, you looking for daddy? Dada? The second reason why I have not been uploading and filming is because I'm just lazy. I don't know why. I don't know if I'm getting old, but I have just been lazy to sit down. It's so much easier for me to just record for Instagram and do like a quick 1-minute tutorial and just post right away. With YouTube, it's much more intricate. It's long, and it's just much more easier to edit for Instagram in comparison to YouTube. So on that part, that's my own. That's me. I'm just being lazy. The third reason is just that I don't know what to record. I feel. Do you guys hear that? That's what I go through. I personally feel like you guys are bored with tutorials. I feel like you guys want to see other stuff. I don't know. It's just how I feel when it comes to when I upload tutorials. It's like you guys barely watch the tutorial. This is a makeup channel. This is not a family. This is not a gossip channel. This is makeup. My intention when I started this, YouTube channel is for me to be able to help others, for me to be able to do makeup, what else? And sometimes product reviews. I don't mind doing that. But before I started my YouTube channel, everyone wanted me to be on YouTube. Everybody. They wanted to see how I do my makeup. They wanted to see how I do other people's makeup. So I said, I'm saying all this just to let you guys know that this is a makeup channel. I did not start this channel in order for me to do something other than makeup. So it got to a point I was like, well, I'm doing all this makeup. I'm recording, taking my time to record, taking my time to edit, buying all this, expensive equipment and all that stuff. And it's like, no one wants to watch it. So that made me feel like I'm just wasting my time. But I told myself I enjoy doing this. This is not like a part-time job or a full-time job. I'm just doing it for fun. You guys might think I'm getting paid for this. I'm really not getting paid for it. Only time I would get paid for this is if I do like a sponsor video, and I've only had like one sponsored video. So I told myself, you know what, this is my channel. This is something I enjoy doing. It's my beauty channel, it's my makeup channel, and I'm just gonna stick to it, and I'm just gonna continue to do what I enjoy doing. So those of you that like it will continue to watch, and the ones that don't probably will not watch it, just the same way they're not watching. But anywho, let me stop rambling and so today I have this tutorial for you guys. It's this beautiful rose gold look. I use this glitter right here. You guys know all the glitters I use, I get it from one place and one place only. I'm gonna leave a link where I get my glitters from in my description box. Please, y'all, if you're a mother, just tell me you understand what I'm going through right now. Because I feel like he's the only one doing this out of all kids. I don't know why. Okay, now what? Now what? I use some new stuff in this tutorial. I use a lot of Lancome skincare products in this tutorial. That's because my good friend is here and she brought me some goodies. And I also tried a new foundation today, which is the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Witless Foundation. I really love how it turned out. At first I thought it was dark, but you know, it all came together. Well, that's about it for this ramble session. The hair that I'm rocking in this tutorial is from Messy Hair Extensions, and this is their Malaysian Deep Wave, and I have it in the length 22, 22, 20, 18, and a 16-inch closure. This is not the natural state of the hair. I curled the hair. I did that so I can get this bouncy, voluminous curls. Yes, I love how everything turned out. I am going to stop rambling. I know I've said that like 5 times already. I'm going to stop, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Let's just jump right into it. Oh, I'm gonna put this away. All right. I'm going to clean my face real quick. I'm going to use the Micellar Water. I'm going to just take a little bit of that and just clean. All right, all clean. Now I'm going to just do a little bit of toning. I'm going to use the Clinique, oh, y'all can see that. Well, I'm using the Clinique clarifying lotion. I'm going to be trying this Lancôme Visionnaire Advanced Skin Corrector. It's supposed to help with wrinkles, pores, and texture. Oh. So it looks like this. That looks weird. That looks like something. Oh, that looks like something. Don't worry about it, but it looks like something. It don't smell like the something, though, but it looks like something. It's a serum. Ooh. Feels good. Smells good. Oh, I like. Y'all, my friend just got me this Lancome something, and the word is just like, it wants to break my teeth. I don't like all these fancy names, but anyways, it's the Lancôme Renergie Lift Moisture Action Ultra Sunscreen Firming. It's too long. It's this thingy majiggy right here. I gotta take a little pump because she said it's expensive, so I'm just gonna take like that much. Like so. It smells so good. Oh Jesus. So my face is all prepped and ready. I'm going to quickly fill in my brows off camera and I'll be right. Alright, brows all done. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my eyes for eyeshadow. I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution Define and Conceal concealer in the shade C11. And I'm just gonna place that all over my eye. I'm gonna take this concealer brush from Makeup Addiction and just use it to blend it out. I'm going to be taking the Morphe 3502 palette. And you guys know the drill. I'm gonna take 1 or 2 shades just to warm up my crease. I'll be taking the shade Universal and I'll mix that with Flux. Using the Sigma Tapered Blending Brush, the E40. Now I'm going to be using the shade Chestnut. Using this MakeupbyJayTee, the crease brush number 24. Taking this tiny detailed blending brush, I'm I don't know what brand it is, the name rubbed off. I'll be taking the shade Brave. It's not as deep as I want it to, but that's cool. Dipping up my crease, I'm going to be using the shade Brunette. Brunette is right here, and I might mix, depending on how dark it looks, I might mix either toast. No, I'm gonna mix Brunette and Muddy together. Back into that tiny blending brush, I'm going to be taking more of the shade Chestnut, and I'm just gonna use that to make everything look nice. Going back into that same concealer, I'm going to use that to cut my crease. Using Sigma F70. Should I do like a halo or like... No, just go all out. Now I'm going to take the shade Brave, and I'll use that to blend out the line of the conceal. Now I'm going to be taking the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I'll be taking this shade right here. No name. Now I'm going to be taking this Essence Cajole pencil, and I'm going to use that to line my waterline. I know you guys know this was coming. Now I'm going to be taking my NYX Glitter Adhesive, and I'm going to place that all over my lid, and I will be using this glitter right here. I'm going to leave an annotation right up there for my glitter video so you guys can get more information on it, and I'll also leave a link in the description box so you guys can see my glitter work. Alright, I already applied my lashes off camera, and then for lashes today I used the Idol lashes. I do not know the name because it comes in like two, and one was missing and one was there, but the names are Isley and On Fleek, so I don't know which one it was. Sorry. Alright, so for primer today I'm going to be using the Lancôme La Base. I say like brace. For primer today, I'm going to be using the Lancôme La Base Pro. It's their Perfecting Makeup Primer, Smoothing Effect, Oil Free. And then I'm going to go over that with the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Primer. Because, you know, I'm oily and yeah. And then for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation in the shade Cool Almond. Alright, moving on to highlighting, I'm going to be using the same concealer I use for my eyes. Now I'm going to set that using the Sacha Buttercup. I'm going to set my entire face using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Brave and a little bit of Chestnut, and I'm going to use this to smoke out my bottom lash line. For blush, I'm going to be using Fashion Fair Plum Rich. I'm going to line my lips with MAC Night Moth. And then for lips, I'll be using the NYX Sleep Tease in the shade Chick Appeal. To set my entire face, I'm going to be using the Milani Make It Last Setting Spray. Smells good. Alright dolls, here completes the look. I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching dolls, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.